Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. Thanks for clicking on our video and for allowing me to spread my knowledge with all of you. Today we're going to be talking about 7 of the best cryptocurrencies to buy ASAP. However, before we move any further, make sure to break the bad habit of not subscribing to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below. Cheers and enjoy! It's been over a decade since the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, the first and by far the most popular form of cryptocurrency in the world. Despite its fame, Bitcoin isn't the final word on cryptocurrency. Imitators, innovators, and spin-offs have emerged in huge numbers, and there are more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies on the market today. With such a broad range of cryptocurrencies to choose from, how do investors know which is the best one to invest in? From the most popular cryptocurrencies making headlines around the globe to lesser known digital currencies you may have never even heard of. Here are 8 of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2020. Number 1. Bitcoin. The closest thing you'll get to blue chip currency. Bitcoin has dominated the market since the first Bitcoins were mined in January 2009. But that doesn't mean it has always been smooth sailing. Bitcoin prices hit a high of nearly $20,000 in December 2017, before collapsing in 2018, bottoming out at $3,234 by the end of that year. Since then, however, Bitcoin has enjoyed something of a comeback as prices have risen back to more than $10,000, and with a market cap of around $200 billion, Bitcoins account for more than 57% of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has its fair share of volatility, but being the biggest name in crypto gives it a worldwide acceptance that lesser-known rivals don't have, arguably making it the best cryptocurrency to buy for investors new to the asset class. Out of all the available cryptos on the market, Bitcoin is always on the top of every list. It is the most renowned cryptocurrency around the globe. The fame game works in the best interest of this digital currency and secures its position compared to other competitors in the market. The currency has also shown consistent growth and kept the levels high over the years. It's one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2020. Number 2. Next to the Bitcoin on this list, there's another trendsetter that exploded onto the scene called Ripple. It counts as the most promising currency to invest in as it carries top-notch technology and networks. It has the potential to give a massive overture to international commerce, banking, and payment networks. So we're back to 2019 when MoneyGram earned a business of $11 million from Ripple. Moreover, Asimo also announced to crack a deal with Ripple, and all credit goes to its high-end liquidity. So it's time for you to invest in Ripple, and believe it or not, it's all going to be worth it. Number 3. The third on this list is Litecoin. Cryptocurrencies tend to seem obscure and complex to those who don't understand the underlying technology, but Litecoin was created to help fix that. In fact, founder Charlie Lee wanted to create the light version of Bitcoin and develop a cryptocurrency that could play the role of silver to Bitcoin's gold. Lee did just that with Litecoin in 2011, creating a cryptocurrency that adopted many of the best features of Bitcoin with some twists. For instance, while Bitcoin transactions take about 10 minutes to confirm, Litecoin transactions are far faster, taking under 3 minutes. In addition, while it takes specialized hardware and impressive raw computing power for users to mine Bitcoin, Litecoin has much lower system requirements. In fact, ordinary PCs are capable of mining for it. Faster and easier is a powerful combination for users and investors alike. Between the big names, one should not skip this currency in 2020. When it comes to affordability, this currency is what that demands your attention. In market capitalization, the currency has provided a tech-forward profile to set the standards for the customers. 1 unit of the currency would cost you less than $100. It comes up with promising investors. The currency depends on the mode of adoption, and it is already on the right path. Number 4. Who could forget about Ethereum when making a list of top-notch cryptocurrencies? One of the main philosophies behind cryptocurrencies is the decentralization of currency. Ethereum takes that a step further. Rather than decentralizing money, Ethereum's goal is to decentralize the internet by replacing servers with a worldwide system of nodes, creating one computer for the entire world. Ethereum is a software platform based off of blockchain technology in which users can exchange a cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, with a market cap around $40 billion that puts it second only to Bitcoin in the market share. But the real draw is the platform itself, which has become widely popular as a host for other cryptocurrencies. In other words, not only do investors profit from one of the best and most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, but also the wider uses of Ethereum itself. Number 5. Let's move on to the next, and that is Neo. It's an open source, community-driven platform that is all set to make a name in the finance world. Since 2019, it has already traveled a big mile from $7.50 to the current $11. Due to its low price, it is somehow a risky investment. Yet it can earn a big name and business. As a yearly goal, 15 million tokens are released by the company to run long-term business. Number 6. Now let's talk about Zcash. Yes, in the list of digital currencies, here is a private cryptocurrency that can draw your attention to your investment plan in 2020. Here's a question. Does Bitcoin offer you that privacy which you need? Well, no. These currencies can be easily tracked back to transactions. In case you're searching for privacy, then Zcash is your deal to crack. It has a fixed worth and supply of 21 million ZEC coins. It's designed to serve those peer-to-peer value transfers. The coin has a set value of $1,112. Zcash is worth to invest in. Number 7. Stellar is here to keep up with your expectations. Since 2014, it is around and making progress. Though slow, yet we all know slow and steady wins the race. This currency is an open-sourced, decentralized protocol for cross-border transactions with a network of 100 billion Stellar tokens. These tokens are termed as lumens. It is another affordable option to consider while planning for investment. Stellar aims to replace the SWIFT system. It acts as the backbone for other available crypto tokens in the market. Investing and deploying all your assets to any of the markets, be it industry, finance, etc., it is a big deal. You need to be very cautious to avoid any major losses, but also take into account that the market fluctuates. Before investing, you've got to plan and do market research keenly. I hope this video made your job of doing research a little easier, and if so, please leave a comment and like the video. On this note, this is Business Zone signing off. Till the next episode, stay tuned and keep watching Business Zone.